Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Cobb Vanth out of LEGO. So without any further ado, let's begin. Starting off, the legs and arms come from the Book of Boba Fett version of Boba Fett. The torso I used comes from the Empire Strikes Back Boba Fett. You'll need some dark red arms, the scarf from a Christmas elf, the head from Owen Grady, and then finally the hair from Newt Scamander. And as a bonus you could add the belt and hands from Pelimotto. The correctly built minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build it. I'm quite pleased with this minifigure and I hope everyone else is as well. I was inspired to make it by the legs from the new Boba Fett. If you're new and haven't subscribed, I would recommend doing so, as well as liking this video and maybe leaving an idea if you have one. If you would like to see some more Mandalorian figures, I will put a link for you on the end screen.